Hello friends! Let's look at another great feature of the MIUI system, which is known as the app lock. As the name suggests, this app lock allows you to lock the apps which is present on this device. So let's get started. Let's go to the settings, and then here it is, your app lock. First of all, you have to set a pattern which is used to unlock the apps on this device. Again, to confirm this lock has been created. Now next, you have to add your MI account to reset this password in case you forget it. So let's add this. You can also turn on the fingerprint lock, but for now I'm skipping it, so cancel it. Now you can choose any app you want to protect it. So in my case, I am protecting my file manager. So that's it. We are set to go. So just open my file manager, and here it is. And let's unlock it. And here is our file manager. Without any third-party app, we have logged our file manager. Thanks.